We are here at Hummus Elijah in search for the best hummus in the Philippines. Hi Kirby! So let's go inside. So this is what the place looks like. Ayan mga binibenta nila, mga condiments, powder, flavorings, etc. Sobrang dami. Ayan, so nag-order na si Kirby kasi alam na namin yung i-order namin. So ito yung mga sauce nila. Yung color white is yung garlic sauce and then yung green is yung maanghang nilang sauce. So ito na yung first order namin, the Hummus Elijah for 250 pesos. So may kasama na siyang 4 na pita bread. Yung pita bread nila mas mataba kaysa sa ibang mga pita breads. Then ayan, hinahalo na namin yung hummus. Then time to taste it. I'll rate this 6/10 kasi may mas natikman pa akong